Introduction to Best Practices for Zopa Credit Card. Using a Zopa credit card can be a great way to manage your finances and build credit. But it requires responsible management to get the most out of it. In this guide, we will walk you through the best practices for using a Zopa credit card. Understanding your Zopa credit card. First, it is essential to understand the terms and conditions of your Zopa credit card, including the interest rate, credit limit, and repayment terms. Make sure you read and understand the documentation provided by Zopa before you start using your card. Making payments. To avoid interest charges and late fees, it is crucial to make your payments on time. Set up a direct debit to ensure your payments are made automatically. And try to pay more than the minimum payment each month to reduce your debt quickly. Keeping track of your spending. Keep track of your spending by regularly checking your account online or through the Zopa app. This will help you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. You can also set up spending alerts to notify you when you have reached a certain limit. Building credit. Using a Zopa credit card responsibly can help you build credit, which is essential for future loan and credit applications. To build credit, make sure you make your payments on time. Keep your credit utilization ratio low, and avoid applying for multiple credit cards in a short period. Avoiding fees. To avoid fees, make sure you understand the fees associated with your Zopa credit card, including late fees, interest charges, and foreign transaction fees. Try to avoid using your card for cash withdrawals or foreign transactions, as these often attract high fees. Security and protection. Finally, it is essential to keep your Zopa credit card secure to avoid fraud and identity theft. Make sure you keep your card and PIN safe, and avoid using public computers or unsecured networks to access your account. Conclusion. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of your Zopa credit card and avoid common pitfalls. Remember to always read the terms and conditions. Make your payments on time. Keep track of your spending. Build credit. Avoid fees. And keep your card secure. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefits of using a Zopa credit card while maintaining a healthy financial situation.